Here are a few tips to manage neck pain. Remember that these videos are for informational purposes only. They do not substitute actual treatment and instruction here at Dr. D's Physical Therapy, and you should always consult your physician before trying a new exercise routine. So the first thing I'm going to do is neck range of motion, which is fancy for just saying how you move your neck. I am in a half kneeling position on my knees like so, but you can do this sitting in a chair. You can even do it standing up. Okay, so let's get started. We're gonna do rotation first. So we're gonna turn our head to the right and then to the left. We're gonna do 5 times in each direction. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Great. And always remember, you want to stay in your nice tall posture. So we want to think about that string at the crown of the head, pulling us up nice and tall. The next one we're going to do is going to be side bending. You want to make sure that you bring your ear to your shoulder rather than bringing your shoulder up to your ear. It's going to go like this, nice and easy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. The next one or two we're going to do are going to be flexion and extension. So I'm going to demonstrate this sideways. Flexion is just bringing your chin to your chest. So let's get in our nice tall posture first. String at the crown of the head, sitting up nice and tall. Not really sure what to do with my hands here. I'm just going to put it right here in my lap. So anyway, you are going to bring your chin to your chest. And then like going over a rainbow, bring your head back. Be careful not to do this and crunch your neck. You're going to remember that you're almost like you're going over a rainbow. All right, I think this is number 3. 4, and 5. Perfect. Okay, so that is all the planes of movement for range of motion. The next thing I'm gonna do is an upper trap stretch. So for your upper traps, these are these muscles up here. They can really get sore and tense. So again, this is something you can do in the middle of your workday while you're sitting at your desk. Just make sure you get into your nice tall posture first. And we're just gonna gently bring our head over to the left shoulder. And you're gonna take your right hand and just place it gently behind your back. Now for some of us, this is enough stretch right here. But if you need a little bit more pressure, you can always apply a little pressure on the top of the head, on the side of the head. And you want to hold your stretches for about 30 seconds. And then you'll come out of it. I always like to stretch the same side 3 times and then go over to the other side. But for this demonstration, we're just gonna go ahead and go over to the other side, place the other arm behind the back, and then over to the side. You wanna make sure that you maintain your neck in that sagittal plane so that you're not like rotating, but you're directly over to the side. I'm holding on to my top knot, or just a nice gentle hand on the side of the head here. Again, you're gonna hold your stretches for 30 seconds 3 times. You'll do 3 on one side and then 3 on the other side. The last exercise I'm gonna demonstrate are shoulder squeezes or scapular squeezes. So these are for the muscles that are inside the shoulder blades. I'm gonna turn around this way. Again, start with our nice tall posture, string at the top of the head, pulling us up nice, tall, and strong. You're simply just going to squeeze your shoulder blades together and then rest them. We're gonna do 10 of these. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, one more, 10. Great. All right. A couple of other little tidbits would be making sure that throughout the day you're trying to maintain that nice neutral posture, meaning that you're not walking around like this or like this. These awkward postures of the head and neck and the upper back and even your lower back can cause some of your muscles to become imbalanced and tensed in some places and too weak or too strong in others. And so it's nice to maintain a good postural alignment when you're looking at your personal devices. You want to make sure that they are a little bit lower than eye level so that you're not holding your head down like this while you're on your phone texting or watching something. So those are just a few things to keep in mind. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it very informative. And if you have any questions about neck pain, you could always give us a call, 407-906-6007, and we can discuss this further. See you soon.